Most students lose marks on this density question. The question is, a block has a mass of 200 gram and a volume of 50 centimeter cube. Calculate the density, give your answer in kilogram per meter cube. So they divide the numbers correctly. So they divide 200 by 50 and give their answer as 4. But because they didn't use the correct standard units, they lose the mark. So what else we need to do? When we have a calculation problem in physics, we always have to write what we know and what we want to know. We know that mass is equal to 200 grams. But in the answer, we need to give our answer in kilogram per meter cube. So we need to convert gram into kilogram. As you all know, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. And when we convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, we need to divide. So 200 divided by 1000 will give us 0.2 kg. The next thing that we know is 50 centimeter cube. So volume is equal to 50 centimeter cube, and we need to convert it into meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 million centimeter cube. Again, we are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit, so we need to divide 50 by 1 million, which will give us 5 times 10 to the negative 5 meter cube. You can use your calculators when you are dividing numbers to each other. In physics papers, you are allowed to use calculator in many physics papers, so you use your calculator. And the final thing we need to do is we write the equation. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Examiners like to see that if you can correctly substitute the values into the equation. So always write the equation and then substitute them into your equation. Mass is 0.2 kg and volume is 5 times 10 to the negative 5. 0.2 divided by 5 times 10 to the negative 5 will give us 4,000. So density is equal to 4,000. And the final thing that we shouldn't forget, never ever, which is equal to kilo. Write the unit, so which is kilogram per meter cube. So today's examiner tip was, don't forget to convert to standard units, otherwise you may lose some partial or full marks depending on the question. If you want more daily physics mark savers, follow my videos. Thank you.